Right, today we're going to bring an 850 watts ASUS gaming power supply. On this one, the reason we got it for two reasons, all right? Power supply is in the back, if you guys can see, power on and off, but one reason, major reason we got it, not for the 850 watts, but the actual connection to the newest GPUs, which is the NVIDIA's. Now, this one takes a lot of voltage, and it doesn't take two cables. It goes one cable in from here and go out to two cables to the GPU. And the reason I got it, I don't have to worry about adding extra cables in here, just one cable. Minimize the cable, make it nice and clean. So you do have motherboard connections, CPU connections, and extra connections here for any SATA or any modules that you need to install. So this is a gold edition. We're gonna set it up. Prior to setting it up, make sure you remove the sticker. There's always like a sticker here in the front or a cover. If you don't, it might suck it in or burn it out, and you know it's gonna have issues. All right, so just make sure you're aware of that. We're gonna set it up. It has a nice little logo on the side, and see how it works. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna set up the CPU first, and it's just a regular clip-on. Snap in. We pass the cable in the back. We're gonna do cable management later. Just tuck it in more. Keep bringing in more until you don't see it that much. That's good. And then we'll tuck it in later. Now the next one, we're going to set up the motherboard connection. All right, so we have the fan sticking to the bottom because we had no ventilation on top. So we had to flip this down, and we're connecting all the connections, the motherboard and everything else. All right, we're doing cable management on it. Unfortunately, it's not that hard in here. Everything real simple. We ran this is the CPU motherboard with the regular connections. We're cutting it off. Make sure that it's all zip tight. We're going to tie it down to one of these so it won't be moving around. Our first time turning it on, just cranked up right now. We're going to let it do its cycle, and we're going to set up a monitor, see how it works. So let it. See what I did? Yeah. All right, so just turn it on. This is what we got. We got the sequel. Now it's time to set up the windows.